Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to look into the stocks to buy post interim budget 2019. So we all know that many benefits we've got in the budget, and this will be effective only if the current government is back after the elections. So but now we will get in and see which are the stocks to be noted or to be looked into for purchasing for a long term, which will add a extra benefit because of the budget. So let's get started. So the stock price is as of 4th Feb 2019. So the first stock is Dabur India Limited. So its current share price is 451. The 52-week low is 312, whereas the high is 490. The industry PE is 70, whereas the company PE is 54. The PB is 13. The ROCE is 28. And the TTM EPS is 8.32. The promoter holding is 67%, and 3,059 crores has been invested in this stock by many mutual fund schemes. Coming to the returns, for 1 year it is given as a return of 29%, for 3 years 21%, and for 5 years 21.28%. Next one on the list is Hindustan Unilever Limited. So its current share price is 1,799 rupees. The 52-week low is 1,281, whereas the high is 1,870. The industry PE is 70, whereas the company PE is 64. The PB is 53. The ROCE is 109. The TTM EPS is 27. And the promoter holding is 67%. And 7,274 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes. Returns. For 1 year, it is given as a return of 31%, for 3 years 30%, and for 5 years, it is given as a return of 25%. Next one on the list is MotoCorp Limited. So its current share price is 376 rupees. The 52-week low is 284, whereas the high is 397. The industry PE is 70, whereas the company PE is 55. The PB is 18, the ROCE is 39, and the TTM EPS is 6.75. The promoter holding is 59%, and 2,153 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes. Coming to the returns, for 1 year it is given as a return of 21%, for 3 years 18%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 28%. Next is TVS Motors Company Limited. So its current share price is 516 rupees. The 52-week low is 470, whereas the high is 693. The industry PE is 18, whereas the company PE is 34. The PB is 8. The ROCE is 24. And the TTM EPS is 14. The promoter holding is 57%. And 3,269 crores has been invested in this stock by many mutual fund schemes. Coming to the returns, for 1 year it is given as a return of minus 23%, but for 3 and 5 years it is positive, in which for 3 years it is given as a return of 20%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 46%. Next one is Hero MotoCorp. So its current share price is 2,807. Its 52-week low is 2,561, whereas the high is 3,862. The industry PE is 18, whereas the company PE is 15. The PB is 4. The ROCE is 46, and the TTM EPS is 181. The promoter holding is 34%, and the mutual fund investment is 3,622 crores. Returns. For 1 year it is negative, which is minus 24%, but for 3 and 5 years it is positive, but not that good percentage. For 3 years it is 3%, and for 5 years it is 7%. Next one in the list is Bajaj Auto Limited. So its current share price is 2,603. The 52-week low is 2,425, whereas the high is 3,239. The industry PE is 18, whereas the company PE is 16. The PB is 3.69. The ROCE is 30. And the TTM EPS is 162. The promoter holding is 49%. The mutual fund investment is 2,757 crores, and returns for 1 year it is negative, which is minus 23%, but for 3 and 5 years it is positive, in which for 3 years it is 3% and for 5 years it is 6%. Even though it is positive, not that good return. So next one in the list is Jubilant Foodworks. So its current share price is 1,358 rupees. The 52-week low is 902, whereas the high is 1,575. The industry PE is 71, whereas the company PE is 56. The PB is 18. The ROCE is 33, and the TTM EPS is 24. The promoter holding is 44%. And 1,112 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes. Returns for 1 year it is given as a return of 32%, for 3 years 30%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 20%. Jubilant Foodworks is nothing but Domino's. Next one on the list is DLF Limited. So its current share price is 165 rupees. The 52-week low is 141, whereas the high is 239. The industry PE is 22, whereas the company PE is 5. The PB is 0.83. The ROCE is 5, and the TTM EPS is 27. The promoter holding is 74%. 336 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes. And return for 1 year it is negative, which is minus 32%, but for 3 and 5 years it is positive, which is for 3 years it is given as a return of 19%, and for 5 years it is given only a return of 3%. Next one on the list is Showbar Limited. So its current share price is 478 rupees. The 52-week low is 380, whereas the high is 590. The industry PE is 22, whereas the company PE is 19. The PB is 1.66. The ROCE is 10.31. And the TTM EPS is 24.54. The promoter holding is 55%, so there's foreign promoters here. The mutual fund investment is 475 crores, and returns for 1 year it is minus 15%, but for 3 and 5 years it is positive, for which 3 years it is 18%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 12%. So these are the stocks which have chances to gain a lot post this budget. So if at all you want to invest in any of these stocks, please do your research and then start investing, as this is not a suggestion from our side. And in these stocks you all can see it was mainly from 3 sectors, which was one was from the FMCG sector, the other was from the the motor vehicle sector, and the construction sector. So these are the 3 sectors, and the stocks are from that. I've sourced this from Money Control. So these are the stocks, and it was the author was from Capital Aim. So that's a financial services company which had published it there. So they feel that these stocks will gain good after this budget. From this, my personal pick is obviously Hindustan Unilever, because I had also made a separate video on Hindustan Unilever as the future multibagger stock. So but please don't hop in to buy immediately. Do your research and always remember to buy stocks as they dip and hold it for a long time to gain more. So as I always say, start thinking and happy investing. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. All the information provided in this channel is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Don't consider this as a recommendation from our side. Please do your own research or seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.